Today, we're switching up from like our average dirt bike town adventures, and we're gonna be installing a Trail Runners Customs Toyota Sequoia grill on my '07 Toyota Sequoia, and it's not sponsored. We just picked this one up because it looked cool, and yeah, start working on it. Yeah, so we gotta put it, take that off, put it on, and then when we get it all on, we get the little raptor lights things, and then what was it? We run it back here and then down to the fuse thingy. Oh, which ones?
You can start with these two first if you want.
Do we need to take off? Oh yeah, we do need to take this off.
Yeah. Brace your hand on it. So now screw the bolt. And we put it on to the. We'll probably take off this whole piece. Oh wait, maybe we should be doing the Phillips head on the thing. Let's check the grill, see if make sure it's got that part. Oh yeah, it's right there.
Oh, you see it? Okay.
Yeah, see right there.
Ah, yes. Show the camera.
So we got there.
Sweet.
4. Okay.
So I'll just take off the lights right now.
Yeah. We need to screw those two Phillips out of there.
Oh, so we can wait. Should I put this back there?
Yeah, might as well.
Can I just take Phillips out? Oh, wow. Trip it. Oh, these guys?
Yep. We could have like took it off that though, I guess, and then screwed that piece on the thing by itself without it being up awkward like that.
Yeah.
Okay, you're ready to catch it. Screw so you don't lose it. Okay, it's out. Got it? There you go.
Oh, that's terribly awkward.
Okay, you got that one. No, you got 6. 6 bolts.
Whew.
Need sunscreen or you good?
I'm good. Let's get some. Oh, yeah, that's some stagnant water.
Get some water?
Yeah, that'd be nice. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, go for it.
Whoa. Look at that. Oops. Ow, hot. Molly. Looks kind of funny. Ooh, owie.
Maybe this is gonna be hard to get out, dude.
Yeah. They're a little bit clamped in there. Maybe just get a hammer. Just.
It's a good idea. Let's
Probably not with the back of a screwdriver.
get a workbench. So our channel,
our
I guess we're
channel.
doing together.
You're right. Oh yeah, you're right. My fault. Oh. Okay, that guy's in. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
All right, my bad. Go for it.
Oh my gosh.
I was trying to get excited for a preview look of it setting down, but my bad. Let's tighten it up before I do that.
Oh. This thing doesn't have a look. Look right there.
Yeah, it does a little. There's a little middle guide, but we'll be alright without it.
Yeah. Okay, this one doesn't have the rubber seam. That one had a rubber seam.
Yeah, be alright.
Okay, well, let's do that again. Alright, you bring it down just a bit. Okay. There we go. Okay, now we'll screw it in and then we'll look at it. Okay, yeah, let's finger all those first, screw them in with our fingers first. Yeah. Michael agrees.
Yep. Now don't forget in the kind of have those two on too. Okay, and then we're gonna use these chrome screws for the level, dude. Just gonna reuse these ones.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, let's do a little test on it.
Can you get more of an awkward angle? Okay. Okay. That's pretty sick looking. I dig it. We lost some protection from the bottom, I think.
No? It's the same.
Yeah. What do you think?
It's nice.
Heck yeah.
Let's give it another test. Alright, give it a try, Jude.
Okay. Oh, it feels awkward grabbing that. Huh.
You think it should be lower down?
No, I think it's good. It's just because it's a different thing to grab. Nice. Well, wiring. Oh gosh. Here.
Okay. And then you want one very outside, right? So like these two spots?
Yup. On the money.
Okay, I'm just gonna set them in easy. See if it looks right. That looks right.
Does look right. Okay. You just kind of pop in.
Yep. Oh,
Nice.
dude. That's sick, bro.
We're gonna have to go for a night swim tonight.
Alright. They didn't give us the... We might need to go find some little zip ties. I might have to go to Ace and buy some of those little zip ties, dude.
Yeah. Okay, here we are. About 1 or 2 weeks later. 2 weeks, I think. We are getting back and we're doing the electrical side of our Trail Runner Customs grill.
Itself. Here, the little pieces from the lights are hanging down. I'm just sliding them in. Again, once you put them in all the...
We'll go on that one.
I'll put on that one. I know he put it on this one right here, but... Well, actually, his 06 doesn't have this big thing.
This is a ground wire here, so we could put it there.
Yeah, his 06 didn't have that.
Okay, grab some of the zip ties over there, bud.
Okay. So, looking at the little glimpse he gave us of his bottom cable management, kind of just looks like it's tucked up to the side, goes back, and then goes up.
Okay.
Just somewhere it doesn't get in the way if I'm like shutting the grill or something, you know.
Yeah.
Ooh, you know what we gotta do now? We gotta go drive out somewhere to the perfect spot. We gotta park right in front of the sunset with the TRD lights on. Oh, and get some pictures. Need myself another home screen, you know.
You're cool. Okay, zip tie, Jude.
Zip tie, okay. They're not close to my car. Dang it. Oh, I couldn't eat him. My hair's bad. This is Thistle. This is Thistle, our cat. She's annoying, she's fluffy, but she's fun. And she kills hummingbirds. We don't like that, do we? Mm-mm. 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 That's all. Okay. Okay. That's a cat. Is that all?
Give me 2 more again.
2 more. Cat. There you go. Go down Pinedale Taylor. Okay, so we are not firing it up. It is the lights are on, and we have a power master switch on the battery, right? And it keeps it off.
Yeah, master disconnect switch.
Yeah, master disconnect switch.
We have a short that drains the battery down.
And we have not been able to find this short, so workaround is shutting it off every time we're done driving. All the power, and then somehow look right there, we are getting power to light. So I think we put the ground in a bad spot.
We'll try a different ground.
Yeah.
We want it on the other side of the disconnect, so it's not gonna do that. So we're gonna try this one right here.
Good. That's no bueno. Your head. I do not want to bonk you. They are off.
Okay, go get your key.
Okay. Shut it.
Yep.
Nope.
Ooh, pull it up, pull it up.
Break.
The heck just happened?
I don't know what just happened. I'm assuming one of the bolts flew off. Okay. Okay, we're doing a quick little startup. Oops, looks a bit goofy. D. Oh. It looks sick. Dude. Look at that crap. Yeah, looks good. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and bye.